Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's crack it. Today I am back with a new video which is about the TCS digital interview experience of a student, and this consists of all the three rounds: technical plus managerial and HR rounds. And coming to these three rounds, technical and managerial were conducted at once and HR round was conducted separately. Coming to the technical round, the very first question was to introduce yourself briefly. So this is the most anticipated question in any interview we take. Definitely, this question will be asked. So be prepared yourself with good points and prioritize what to say in the self introduction. The second question was related to the project, and the questions like the technology used in the project or software used in your project, and also any conflicts faced during the project. So you must be ready to face these kind of questions, and also any cross questions after you had explained the project. So finally, what is a database? Definition of the database. Moving on, she was asked about normalization. What is normalization? This is related to the databases, and then she was asked to choose any one programming languages. So she went with Python. Then Python related questions were asked. What are arrays in Python and compare them with lists? So if you observe, basically arrays store data type, single data type. I mean homogeneous data, whereas lists can store data of different data types like heterogeneous type. And also the main difference between arrays and Python will be arrays are faster when compared to lists. Secondly, if you want to use arrays in Python, we have to import the library called numpy. So these are the differences. And then she was asked to tell about the features of OOPS, object oriented programming language, like features like abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance. And then she was asked to code a program for sorting the given array. She was asked to execute the program and in the online compiler itself. She has executed it using bubble sort, and the time complexity for the bubble sort will be order of n square. So a few of the interviewers might also ask to optimize the code, but here the interviewer had accepted the code with order of n square complexity. And the final question in technical round was to predict the output of a given code. She was given the pseudocode, I mean the algorithm, and asked to predict the output of the given code. That was the last question in the technical round, and immediately managerial round was started. And the very first question was, why do you want to join TCS? So this is a very common question. So your answer should be like job security and the kind of opportunities and also the growth. So there were many reasons to join TCS, and also you can tell your own answer, your own reasons, and what are your short term and long term goals. What are your strengths? How do you overcome your weaknesses? All these are personal questions. I mean, everyone's answer will be unique. And then the last question was to tell about any latest technology. So definitely these days most of the interviewers are asking, expecting one latest technology. So be prepared with one latest technology like cloud computing or artificial intelligence or machine learning, data science, anything, just a little basics about the latest technology. After completion of TR and MR, a separate HR round was conducted. And coming to the HR round, all the questions were related to common HR questions. I mean, no other questions asked. So if you look into the round, first question was introduce yourself, and then after, do you have any educational gap? Why is there a dip in your GPA in the third year? And your biggest achievement till date. So all these were spontaneous questions. There is no need of preparation for the HR round, separate preparation. Moving on, are you okay with the bond? Okay with the reallocation? Any questions for me? So I would like to talk about the final questions. Whenever the interview ask you for any questions, really, if you have any questions, go with it, but never try to ask about the feedback. It's not a very good habit. And also, if you don't have any questions, you can sit calm and you can reply no questions. But never ever mess with asking some question and completely get a bad impression. So by this we are done with the interview of all three rounds.
So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you really like my content and my videos, please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment my videos. I'll be back with a new video.